So vestibular and proprioceptive input can both be either very calming or very stimulating. It just depends on how you use those movements and activities. So I'm going to talk right now about five calming vestibular activities that you can do to help calm yourself or offer to somebody else to help them calm down if they need it. Again, always offer, never force somebody to do these. So one of the things that you can do to help calm yourself down, and you may already be doing some of these things, so this may help bring awareness to activities that you are already doing. Swaying is a big one. So people standing in line and kind of swaying back and forth while they're talking, it is kind of a form of self-soothing. I find myself doing that a lot. You get some vestibular input because it's related to your inner ear. So rocking back and forth is something that people with autism may do as well. It is, again, it's a very calming, self-soothing activity. But it can work for us as well. So if you're doing, like sometimes when I'm on the floor and I'm stretching, if you're doing yoga, like cat and cow poses, kind of rocking back and forth it's not necessarily part of the pose, but it feels good on my lower back and it can be really nice, calming activity as well. In that same vein, a rocking chair provides that same kind of input, right? So sitting in a rocking chair or taking time to sway in a hammock or, any of those things that are going to cause your body to have some movement and some sense of motion and challenging that inner ear again. Another one is gentle stretching, especially anything that involves stretching your neck, because again, you are moving your head. Oh, that feels really good. So anytime you are, again, moving your head, you are activating your vestibular sense. Gentle stretching is another vestibular activity that you can do, especially stretching that involves the neck or stretching that involves moving your head. Just even sitting at your desk, if you sit at a desk or in a chair, if you spend time driving or anything like that, rolling your neck and getting a nice stretch back there can be really nice. Very calming. So those are just some really simple examples of vestibular activities that can be calming. I'm sure you can think of others. Are there things that you do that are vestibular activities that help you calm down? What kind of things that you do that you don't even really think about that are challenging your vestibular sense? Things to think about. If you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section, and remember to like and share and subscribe if you feel so inclined.